Hey everybody, it's Stephanie. I want to show you these. It's 247 pack fresh. It's fresh and eco-friendly. It's fresh zipper bags, and it's 20 in there, and this is the small size, 20 of them. And the thing is, I don't know about you, but I do buy produce or other things, and they seem to go, real fast. And these are supposed to help with that, to help it stay longer. And I actually just bought myself some tomatoes that I really want to keep for a little while longer, and it came in this container. So I'm going to put them in one of these bags. This is the first time that I am using it, but I'm going to put it in the bag, and first of all, see how big 3 tomatoes would fit in this small bag, and I just want to be able to use my tomatoes longer. So it said like after 9 days, if you had uh, bananas, it would be rotten within, basically rotten or very much ripe in 9 days. So if I put bananas in there, which I do buy, and they do kind of get there, and in 10 days, your tomatoes will still look like that. But if you didn't put it in there, they look like this. And also, it says put the fresh ingredients in the bag, fold the opening. Oops, I got to pick that up. Fold the opening and roll it up, and then place stored food according to the storage temperature. So there you go. Then you can actually use these again, which is great. You don't have to throw them away. You can actually use it again and again and again. And like I said, when it comes to using things over again, it's kind of a great idea. So what I'm going to do, let's see if I can open this. Okay, yeah, I can open it. Just pull it apart and open it. So what I'm going to do is put these tomatoes. Hold it. Let me get these tomatoes out of here. Okay, there's 3 of them. Come on out. All right, they're out of the container. As you can see, they're actually very beautiful. And they will fit in this bag. So I'm going to put them in here. And I'm going to zip it up again. As you can see, I'm going to zip them. Ugh, everything falling today. I'm going to zip them back up. Kind of let the air out. Zip it all back up. And there you go. You fold it over. And they're going back in the refrigerator. And let's see how long they could last. But this is my first time using it. This is how I'm going to use it. And maybe you and I have the same thoughts about our food not lasting long enough. I don't care what you do. You can't really even go in there and buy one. They don't hardly let you do that. So sometimes you have to buy more, a batch or a basket or something of something, and you would like to let it hang out for a little while. So I'm hoping that this is what's going to happen with this, and I thank the people who sent this to me so that I can try it out. But I am giving this a try.